Oh, hey, didn't see you there. This is Lepidus Romulus Cato, and let's get into some lines of Latin, little from book 4, 682 to 692 action. I think so. All right. So we're gonna start with this extinxty right here, and you might be thinking, "Hey, now that's not a perfect second person singular," and I would say, well, you're actually wrong, but it would you would be right in that it is not the classic version. It is a syncopated form of extinxisti. And so it's going to go on to have a little bit of a reflexive meaning here with the te, and then it further extends with the me. So it's you have extinguished yourself and me, and then to the soror, sista, and your people and your Sidonian fathers, which is like the Senate, and your city. And then we go on to this little paranym, like they'll give it to me. And then we're going to go to the abluam, which is I will wash the wounds with water. And then you're going to have to go to the next slide, and you'll get the, there's an ore legam, which is I will collect by mouth. If any, si aliquis, if any last breath erat wanders super above, I will collect it by mouth. So thus, having been spoken, the fata, she escapes the high steps. This just means like a high place, but I'm kind of getting Rocky vibes, so we're going to throw that in there. And fawebat, which is like, literally means keeps warm. So here it's more of like a cherished or like, so cherished. Her semionymem, half alive, half conscious Germanum sister, having been embraced by her breast. And then we're going to go to this little ablative here, with a groan, and Scabat was exhausting the atros cruores, the black blood, with her dressed weste. So she's bleeding. She do be bleeding. So this ella, it literally means that. Here it's going to be she, and of course referring to Dido. Versus again tried to lift up her oculus gravis, heavy eyes, and she deficit, she failed. So now the infexum vulnus, the driven wound, which just means a deep wound. Stridet, screams, shrieks, subpectore, under her chest. So that's just a really visceral image of how bad this wound is. She's probably looking pretty slumped, eyelids starting to go. She's looking like Stanley over here. Yeah. So lifting herself up, Atolan Sese, lifting herself up thrice, and she made lighter Lawa, which raised herself to support herself by her elbow. And then thrice she was thrown back to the bed. That's that little clause here. And then we have little ab with wandering eyes, oculis errantibus. She quaesivit, searched for lucem, light, in the high heaven. Alto Kylo literally means high sky, but she's kind of riding the stairway to heaven, if you feel me. And it having been discovered, reperta, it having been discovered, she ingemuit, she groaned. So that's all we've got for today. Make sure to smash that like button. We appreciate all the praise. And we're trying to get to 10K this year, so we'd appreciate it. Make sure that you donate to the Freeze Oregon t-shirt fund started by one Uentius. We would really appreciate the support. Deuces.